Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add hotkeys. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And then the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over into the OBS instance that you want to use. For me, it would be this one. And then I would head over to my file, and then I'd go to my settings, and then there's actually a hotkey menu, and then you can actually search for the hotkey, or you can find it right here. So let's say I had like a different scene, then I could press a certain button on my keyboard or on my numpad to be able to go ahead and do that, and I would just go ahead and click on it instead of hotkey. If I wanted to show a certain text or anything like that. So let's go ahead, and so there's the text capture for, let's go ahead and look for that. Is this the streaming tab? No, we want to go to this one. Oh, actually, come up scene 5. Okay, so let's say I wanted to show this text, right? And I just wanted to press a button to go ahead and do that. I'd find the text on here in the hotkey section, which is the show text. And then let's say I press P, right? Now apply. Now when I press P, it'll show up. So now when I press P, it'll show up. And then I'd have to press another hotkey to make it disappear, which I didn't set that up, but as you see now that when I pressed it, it popped up. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. This is really good to fiddle with and kind of get your streaming and recording to be very seamless. Have a wonderful day.